Today we're having breakfast in the main dining room, one of the more relaxed ways to start your day on board. Hey guys, Sugar and Alan here. Time for some breakfast in the main dining room. Yummy.
Yum.
I see lots of windows.
Yes. We love our window seats. I think we're spoiled. Every time we come on a cruise, we act like we're supposed to have a window.
Who gets Fruit Loops for breakfast on a cruise ship?
Should. When you're not a breakfast person.
This tells you how much she's not a breakfast person. Fruit Loops.
Exactly.
Okay. Look at that. They give you your milk in a little glass. I mean, I guess how else would they give it to you? But we've never eaten cereal, or at least I never have.
You haven't. I have.
Have you on a cruise ship?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put a little sugar in it.
Shoot, if they had some tricks, maybe I'd have a bowl. No, I wouldn't. Why am I telling that lie?
You're not eating cereal. You're going to eat eggs.
Oh, heck yeah. Eggs and bacon and all sorts of deliciousness. Well, that's her little I don't know if I'd call it an appetizer because she's got more coming, but that's the start of her breakfast.
Yes, it is. Let's see. Let's check out these Fruit Loops.
What could the rating be on Fruit Loops?
Let's see.
Uh-oh. The Fruit Loops? Mm-hmm. That's a nice deep spoon.
Yes, it is.
Man, I wish I had spoons like that at home.
We should look for some.
Yeah. Okay. Is it everything you thought it was going to be?
Okay, so Alan got his toast.
Start off with some toast with some strawberry jelly. It's kind of odd. I don't get bread too often with my meals when I'm on a cruise, but like I love eating bread with my meals. I wonder why I don't.
I wonder. Toast?
Could be a little crisper.
That's what I was going to say because my toast is more crisp. Oh, thank you. I got my crispy bacon.
Over easy egg.
Thank you.
And your blueberry pancake.
Perfect.
Is everything is okay?
Yep.
Yes, looks good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, it could be a little crispier, but in other words, it's toast, and the jelly is really good. I just said it could be crispier, and then you hear all that crunch from the crust.
I heard it.
The inside, maybe.
Okay, so let's let everyone know what you chose for today's breakfast in the
All right, breakfast has been served. So I got a couple of eggs over easy. I got some supposed to be crispy bacon and a hash brown. And then over here I got 2 blueberry pancakes.
Let's see if I can show you guys those pancakes. Give it a minute to focus in.
All right.
I do not like my eggs like that.
No? Get some
Not
salt.
that I'm a breakfast person, but yeah, at all. Ooh, heavy on the pepper.
Whoa. Okay. Let's try that again with some pepper on there.
With a lot of pepper on it.
Yeah. Come here. There we go. Okay. You guys know temperature is important to us, and that's hot. It's not hot, but it's very warm. So very good temperature, like perfect. Let's try the crispier side of the bacon. Yeah, good temperature. Just could be cooked a little bit more. The menu says crispy bacon, so it's kind of crispy. Check out our hash brown. Okay, so same thing. It's warm, and it's a hash brown, the usual flavor. I'll come back to you guys on the pancakes. That's like my dessert, my breakfast dessert. So I'm gonna polish this off first, and then I'll hit that up. All right, Shug's breakfast has arrived.
I think my bacon is more crispier than Alan's.
This has been the story of our cruise, where Shug's bacon is always more crispy than mine. I don't know why. Luck of the draw, maybe. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, I'm sure you guys can hear that through my microphone. Crunching. Very crunchy. It's good. I actually thought I was going to get the roasted potatoes. I must have read the menu wrong. They're good. It's hash brown.
Okay.
Look how boring my plate is. Hash brown, bacon, and toast.
And Fruit Loops. Don't forget your Fruit Loops.
I did have the Fruit Loops. Those were good.
Yep, and as usual, no jelly on her toast, just butter.
And I like to put the butter on my toast myself. So,
Oh, God. Don't look again.
I know you guys are saying, Shug, what is wrong with you? You're drinking soda first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
That's what keeps me going.
That's what she does.
Okay, you moved on to your pancake, your dessert.
Breakfast dessert. So this one's got this glaze. These are maybe cherries. They don't look like blueberries. And then I put the regular syrup on these. Let's check this out. Let's do a little of this too. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, that's good. Shug's a heavy dipper when it comes to like A1 steak sauce and that.
Barbecue sauce, ranch.
Yeah, I'm a heavy dipper when it comes to, I need lots of syrup for my pancakes. So I could have used a little more. That's good. The blueberries inside, they're warm. That's great. Yeah, I could have had more syrup if I'd have asked for it. I didn't.
I don't know why that looked more like cherries to me.
I think it is. Which is kind of weird for blueberry pancakes, but it's still good. It tastes really good. So yeah, pancakes nice and warm, not hot, but again, you know, we get it. It's not going to be super hot. But yeah, the temperature is good, flavor is good, the blueberries are warm. It's good stuff. All right, the anticipation is killing me all breakfast long. How were those Fruit Loops?
The Fruit Loops were good. I love Fruit Loops. They're good. I'm very plain Jane. I eat Fruit Loops at home, you know, when my grandbaby's there. But other than that, my bacon was crispy. It was good. The hash brown was good and warm. And then I had dry toast where I just put some butter on it. So overall, my breakfast was good. I'm just not a breakfast girl.
Unless it's a burrito or a taco.
And look, I drank soda with my breakfast.
Yeah.
So that tells you something.
Nothing surprising there, yeah.
Yeah, for me at least. But everything was good.
Okay.
As usual, Allen breakfast is always, what's the word, better than mine.
Breakfast is always good.
For him, yeah.
Yeah, usually like if I'm in the buffet, I get an omelet. But in the main dining room, I'll get eggs like over easy. I don't even get them scrambled because I can get those in the Windjammer too. Well, heck, you can get eggs over easy in the Windjammer.
Yeah.
But the eggs were good. They were eggs, you know, with some salt and pepper on them. Hash brown was good. It was a hash brown. Bacon, little suspect. It wasn't as crispy as Shug's. Same thing with the toast. It wasn't as crispy as Shug's, but the jelly was really good for it. So temperature and everything was lukewarm, and I kind of expect that. Nothing was cold, so that's good. Pancakes, those were good. The blueberries inside were warm. I liked them both ways. With that, I'm assuming cherry. I don't know, but it was good. The regular syrup, of course, but yeah, the warm blueberries inside is what really made them pop. So yeah, breakfast was good. And unlike Shug, drink of champions for breakfast time, orange juice, it was good. So yeah, breakfast was good. So thanks guys for watching this food review. We appreciate it. You know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We also want to thank all of our members. We really appreciate you guys more than you know, including Victoria Jackson and Rob. And we will see you guys on our next food adventure.